Okay, here's Zachary and Tyler playing with their new cars they got from Grandma and Grandpa. Ooh, look at those cool tricks. Ooh.
Oh.
Pick it up. No big deal. So cool.
Wait.
Let's go show everybody how they go on the wall, don't you think? Don't you think, Ty?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to show them how it goes on the wall. Zachary, the little whiner today.
Hey, don't call me a whiner.
Okay, go put it on the wall.
Oh, yeah. Can I?
Yeah, honey. Okay. Show them how it works. Ooh. Can you get up there, T? You got it? Ooh, down into the pillows. Show them how it works, TT.
Mom, look at my light.
Oh. I think maybe it just got turned off. That's weird, Ty. I don't know why that happened.
What happened?
His lights went out. There they go. Make him come up.
Mine is blinking. Too bad.
Put yours on the wall.
Too bad.
Zach, put yours on the wall too so they can see.
Mine's not blinking. Look.
Okay, they're blinking. That means it needs more battery, huh?
So.
Everybody say, thanks, Grandma and Grandpa.
Thanks, Grandpa.